Hello friends, welcome to our channel. I am Ashanna, Director of Sadhana Study Circle. Have been teaching mathematics last 26 years. Friends, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get my latest updates. Friends, in this video, I would like to teach you ratio applications. In this ratio and applications, we are going to learn what is a rate, direct proportion, percentages, profit and loss, discount, and simple interest. Let us learn one by one. First one, rate. Sometimes ratios appear as rates. To understand rates, here we have some examples. My father drives the vehicle with a speed of 60 km per hour. Second one, I bought apple at the rate of 120 rupees per kg. The cost of eggs is rupees 60 per dozen. In all these three sentences, we have the word per. The word per can be replaced with the symbol oblique or per. Using this symbol, we can be written as 60 kilometers per hour. I bought apple at the rate of rupees 120 per kg. We can write this as rupees 120 or 120 rupees per kg. The cost of eggs is 60 rupees per dozen. We can write it 60 rupees per dozen. Next, direct proportion. What is a direct proportion? If some increase in one quantity leads increase in other quantity, then the quantities are said to be in direct proportion. Let us see once again. If some increase in one quantity leads increase in other quantity, then the quantities are said to be in direct proportion. Or if some decrease in one quantity leads decrease in other quantity, then the quantities also said to be in direct proportion. Here is an example. If the number of things purchased increases, then the cost incurred also increases. If the number of things purchased decreases, then the cost incurred also decreases. Next, percentages. Ratios also appear in the form of percentages. Let us discuss now about percentages. The word cent means 100. The word percent means per 100 or for a 100 or per every 100. The symbol percentage used to represent percentages. What are percentages? The fractions having 100 as denominators are called percentages. Let us observe once again. The word cent means 100. The word percent means per 100 or per every 100 or for a 100. For a 100. The fractions 100 having denominators are called percentages. Fractions having 100 as denominators are called fractions having 100 as denominators are called percentages. One percent and also we can write can be written as 1 out of 100 or 1 by 100 or 0.01. This is a decimal form. This is a fractional form. This is a verbal form. Conversions. Common fraction to percentage. How to convert a common fraction or fraction into percentage? To convert a common fraction to percentage, we have to multiply the fraction with 100 and keep the symbol percentage, then simplify. Let us take a few examples to understand this. To convert a fraction to percentage, multiply with 100, keep the percentage sign, then simplify. This is the procedure. One by 4. It's a common fraction. One by 4 into 100, multiply with 100 and keep the percentage sign. Then simplify. Simplify means if there are any common factors for numerator and denominator, then cancel with those taking common factors. 4 table or 2 table, 4 table, 4 ones are 4 25s are 4 twos are 8, 2, 4 5s are 20. So 25 percentage. 25 percentage. 1 by 4 is equal to 25 percentage. One more example. 3 by 4. 3 by 4. 3 by 4 into 100. Keep the percentage sign. We have to multiply with 100 and keep the symbol percentage, then simplify. 4 ones, 4 25s. 25 threes are 75. 75 percentage. Mixed fraction to percentage. To convert to mixed fraction to percentage, first we have to convert a mixed fraction into improper fraction, then follow the procedure fraction to percentage. Let us consider the following example. 5 3 by 4. First we have to convert it into improper fraction. 4 5s are 20, 23 by 4. That is equal to 23 by 4 into, to convert a fraction, common fraction or fraction into percentage, first we have to multiply by 100 and keep the percentage sign, then simplify. 4 ones are 4 25s are 4 twos are 4 5s are 4 5s are 20. 25 23 25s are 25 3s are 75. 25 2s are 50 57. 575 percentage. Conversions, percentage to fraction. To convert a percentage into fraction, first we have to remove the percentage sign and divide it by 100 or multiply with it 1 by 100. Then simplify. This is the procedure. Let us consider the following examples. First 20%. First remove the percentage sign. Divide it by 100 or multiply with 1 by 100. Then simplify. This is the procedure. First 20% is equal to, first remove the percentage sign. We have to write 20 only. Divide it by 100. Then simplify. 0 0 gets cancelled. 2 1s 2 5s. 1 by 5. So this is the answer. Next 40%. 40 by 100. divide it by 100. Then simplify. 0, 0 gets cancelled. 2 2's, 2 5's. 2 by 5. This is the answer. Next, here we have a mixed fraction. To convert a mixed fraction into improper fraction, we have to follow like this. 4 6 24 25 by 4 percentage. Now here we have a fraction, common fraction. Now we can follow that rules. 25 by 4. Here we have already 4. That's why we can divide it by 100. If we divided by 100, we can write 100 as denominator, or multiply with 1 by 100. So multiply 1 by 100. Now simplify. 25 1s, 25 4s, 1 by 16. This is the answer. Conversions, decimal fraction to percentage. To convert a decimal fraction into percentage, first multiply with 100 and keep the percentage sign, then simplify. Let us observe the following examples. 12.34. What is the procedure? First multiply with 100 and keep the percentage sign. Keep the percentage sign. Next simplify. This is the procedure to convert a decimal fraction into percentage. 12.34. First multiply with 100 and keep the percentage sign. Now we have to simplify. While multiplying by 100, a decimal is multiplied with 100. We have to shift the decimal to the right by 2 places. So that's why point will come here. 1 2 3 4. Here decimal point, percentage sign. In this no decimal parts, that's why we can write simply this whole number only. 1 2 3 4. 1234 percentage. This is the answer. Next 0.123. To multiply a decimal 0.123 into 100 percentage. To convert a decimal fraction to percentage, multiply with 100 and keep the percentage sign, then simplify. To multiply by 100, a decimal is multiplied by 100. Just to shift the decimal to the right by 2 places. 12.3 percentage. Next 0.1. 0.1 into 100 percentage. To multiply by 100, we have to shift the decimal point to the right by 2 places. If there are no sufficient places in a decimal part, we keep the zeros as many needed, then 6. 10 percentage. Conversions, percentage to decimal fraction. To convert a percentage into decimal fraction, first we have to remove the percentage sign and divide it by 100 or multiply it with 1 by 100 and then simplify. Let us consider the following examples. First, 75 percentage. First, remove the percentage sign. Remove percentage sign. Divide it by 100 or multiply with 1 by 100. Then simplify. This is the procedure. I remove the percentage sign and dividing with 100. To divide by 100, we have to shift the decimal point to the left by 2 places. A whole number has right extreme place a decimal point. So here we have decimal point. Shift the decimal point to the left by 2 places. 0.75. This is the answer. Next to 40%. 40 by 100. A decimal number, a whole number has a decimal point on right place. So we have to shift to the decimal point to the left by 2 places to divide by 100. So 0.40, 0.40, that is equal to 0.4. Here we have a mixed fraction. First, we have to convert this mixed fraction into decimal fraction. 6 1 by 4 is equal to 6 to 5. 1 by 4, we know 1 by 4 as a quarter. So that's why 6.25. Write this percentage sign as it is. Now we have to follow the procedure. First, remove the percentage sign. 6 to 5. Divide it by 100. Then simplify. In this, to simplify, we are simply shifting the decimal point. To divide by 100, we have to shift the decimal point to the left by 2 places. If there are no sufficient places, keep the zeros and shift to the decimal point. Here no sufficient places, that's why we have to keep 1 0 and shift to the decimal point. 0.0625. To give prominence to this decimal point, we have to write 0 as a integral part. So this is the answer. 0.0625. 6 1 by 4 percentage is equal to 0.0625. Express one quantity as the percentage of the second quantity. To express one quantity as the percentage of the second quantity, first we have to divide the first quantity by the second quantity and multiply the quotient with the 100 percentage. Here we have the procedure. Required percentage is equal to first quantity by second quantity into 100 percentage. To understand this, here we have an example. Express 36 out of 75 as percentage. Required percentage is equal to first quantity by second quantity into 100 percentage. This is the formula. Here first quantity is 36. 36 by second quantity 75 into 100 percentage. 25 fours, 25 threes, 3 ones, 3 twos, 3 ones. So that is equal to 12 fours are 48. 48 percentage. This is the required number. Finding the value of a given percentage of a quantity. To find the value of a given percentage of a quantity, first we have to convert the given percentage as a fraction and then multiply with the quantity. Let us observe one example. 20% of 40. How much? 20% of 40, how much? First we have to convert this percentage as a fraction. 20 by 100. Then multiply with the quantity. Now we have to simplify. 0 0 gets cancelled. Again one more 0 cancel. 2 4s are 8. So this is the value. Finding increase percent or decrease percent. To understand this, here we have two formulas. Increase percent is equal to increase in value by original value into 100 percentage. Decrease percentage is equal to decrease in value by original value into 100 percentage. To understand these formulas, here we have two examples. Gold last year 2019 40,000. This year 2020 50,000. Here increased the cost of gold. So what is the increase percent? We can calculate. Increase percent is equal to increase in value by original value into 100 percentage. How much is increase in value? 40,000 to 50,000. So here 50 minus 40, 10,000 rupees increased. 10,000. 50,000 minus 40,000. So increased 10,000 rupees. So 10,000 by original value 40,000 into 100 percentage. 2 zeros, more 2 zeros. 2 twos, 2 fives, 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means 2 twos, 4, 1. 2.5 percentage increased. Increased percentage. Increased percentage is 2.5. 2.5 percentage increased. Second example, interest in percentage. Last year banks gave approximately 8%. This year only 5%. Here the interests are decreased. How much percentage decrease? To calculate this, decrease percentage is equal to decrease in value by original value into 100 percentage. How much decreased? 8 to 5. 8 minus 5, 3. So 3% decreased. 3 by 8, original value 8 only, into 100 percentage. 4 twos, 4 25s, 3 25s are 75 by 2, 75 by 2. 2 3s are 6, 1, 2 7, 2 7s are 14, 1. 37.5 percentage. 37.5 percentage decreased. Here we have an important chart to remember. 1 by 1, fraction, percentage, decimal. First I will write percentage. 1 by 1 means 100 by 100. 100 by 100 means 100 percentage. 1 by 2, 50 percentage. 3 by 4, 75 percentage. 1 by 4, 25 percentage. 1 by 5, 20 percentage. 2 by 5 is double of 1 by 5. Double means 1 by 5, 20%. Double of twice of 1 by 5, 40%. 1 by 8 is half of 1 by 4. Half 1 by 4, 25. Half of 25 is 12.5 percentage. 1 by 10, 10 percentage. 1 by 16, half of 1 by 8. Here we have half of 1 by 8 to 12.5 percentage. Half of 12.5 percentage is 6 1 by 4 percentage. 1 by 20, 5 percentage. 1 by 25, 4 percentage. 1 by 40 is half of 1 by 20. 1 by 20 we have 5 percentage. Half of 5 percentage, 2.5 percentage. 1 by 50, double, twice of 1 by 25. 1 by 25, 4 percentage. So it's half of 1 by 25. 2 percentage. 1 by 100, 1 percentage. Next to decimal of 1 by 100, 100 by 100 or 100%. Shift the decimal to the right, left by 2 places. 100% is equal to 100 by 100. To convert a percentage into decimal fraction, first remove the percentage sign and divide it by 100, then simplify. Simplify means here we have to shift the decimal to the left by 2 places. 1.00, that is equal to 1. So 1.0 we have to show as a decimal like that. So 50% point 0.50, that is called 0.5. 75 0.75, 0.25, 0.20, that is called 0.2, 0.40, that is called 0.4, 12 and half percentage, 12.5 percentage, 0.125 percentage, 0.125 decimal, 0.125, 0.10, that is called 0.1. 6 1 by 4 percentage is equal to 6 1 by 4 percentage, 6.25 percentage. We have to shift to the decimal to the left by 2 places. That's why 0.0625. This is the decimal. 0.0625. 5%. Here we have to keep 0. 0.05, 0.05, 0.04. Here 0.2 and half, 2.25 percentage, 0.025, 0.025, 0.025, 2 percentage, 0.02, 0.02, 0.01,